The process for destroying this old tall bridge went well. The planning for a self-demolition was on another level.
That's how it's done, tell them boys.
That's how it's done.
I leave for paving rounds, mate.
You don't need a fancy technology to do a great job. All you need is your buddies and a simple tool to create an amazing work. Just take a look and listen to that domino effect sound. Great planning is always winner. Who said you need a heavy machinery to take this bad boy down? This guy's just needed a sledgehammer to get the job done.
We have a winner, baby. Get it, boy.
This high-pressure air truck is the best thing ever to remove ice from the road. Together as a one collective team, we can do the impossible. Log cutting skill is one of the most important things when chopping down those trees. I used to see something like this on walls and thought it was made by machines, but this is a true hand job. This 4-cars garage was moved 250 meters away to a new location, and it took 35 strong men to move it.
It's going to its final rescue.
This man is for sure one of the fastest worker out there, and we say job well done to him. Who needs an expensive machines when something simple like a pallet jack can do a better job? Like they say, Kiss, keep it simple, stupid. This is the simplest invention, but very effective. See how these ingenious workers create the large and strong foundation. Oh my God, that is so satisfying to watch. The most skillful driver for this machine makes it dance. That's how tunnels are made. This simple technology clean and unblock underground pipes and tunnels without needing a man to go down there. Scrapeyard metal sorting made easy with this machine. This is the easiest way to assemble a dome.
That's a good idea.
much faster way to do it.
These are the smartest women's of all time. They have turned a hard, boring job to the most beautiful singing and dancing show. You don't need any machine if you have a group of dedicated men like these right here. This man can finish a construction on his own. Roof scraping done well and made easy. I guess it takes a lot of practice to get to this point. Please don't try this at home. You might kill someone trying to do this. This is the best and fast way to cut the firewoods. What a wonderful firewood cutting machine. This bulldozer is really amazing. It climbs the wall like an insect. What a cool idea for wrapping large objects. Just take a look at how this bulldozer scoops up the old pavement. This one right here kinda confused me a little bit. This could be a great way to learn how to dance without hiring a dance teacher. This machine is also known as the road printer. Just look at how it is printing those bricks to make a road. this guy turn a boring job to the most enjoyable job ever. One Bruce Lee kick can knock down all of those scaffoldings. This model of excavator is so incredibly unique. It can overcome the most challenging jobs and climbs like a spider. What a simple way to cut a straight board. This is an easy way to offload pipes, but it is really effective. Hoverboards were made for fun, but now they are used for this job. Metal roofing profile is installed in style in China. Here is the simple way to cut straight without any fancy tools.
There he goes. Oh. Just like that. Down to 2 inches.
A conveyor belt plus a well-trained man is a perfect combination to get the job done. Imagine picking up hundreds or thousands of chickens by hands. It is really time-consuming and tiring. That's why they have created this machine. Ingenious has came up with the idea of designing a bridge and take it to site to install it without wasting time, build it from scratch. This builder can design anything that you want him to design on your house. These are professional builders that creates unusual and eco-friendly buildings. They came here on the icy mountain to build this magnificent hotel on the mountain, and I can't wait to take a vacation there next time. It doesn't take millions to create a nice shiny floor. All you need is just a couple of pennies and you have your dream floor. This is not a black balls game on a lake. They are throwing this balls to prevent an evaporation from the lake. Those balls act as a shield and still allow fish and other animals to thrive. This paving machine, it saves money and time. It only takes 2 people to operate. Have you ever wondered why the world is full of old car tires? And why is no one using those tires? But here is one of the ways you can use them. Malaysians has came up with the way of reducing to fill up all voids with concrete. They invented a method to reduce material usage without compromising on strength of the building. If you have more than one bulldozer and a chain, and you have trees that you do not want on your field, this is how you pull them out quickly. This is how you demolate a building without doing much work.